Hello and welcome everybody. NIO stock on 27 November. Let's see that step by step with easy price prediction explained. If you are new to this video, don't forget to subscribe and like. Okay, today we go for the further price predictions that we want for every stock. It seems that when we go for the stock that we want here is going to be such something applicated with high movements. Okay, so I think this is going to be one day update here, and if we will turn it back for 1 week, this is going to be such a great thing here, and this is going to be the price that is still not accurate. Okay, maybe if we went for 1 week, it's going to give us a lot of red candles in the last part that it has reached, and it seems that it would increase in momentum because 0 and 1 Fibonacci level strategy has been done. That's what can I say on this video about NIO stock.